Hello everyone, my name is Navneet Kaur. I study in 8th class in Pioneer Convent School, Gajjar Majra. I live in Purtla Mader, which is situated in Sangrur district, and today I am here to take part in hashtag Ambassadors of Hope campaign. As we know that coronavirus is spreading in all the world, but we have hope in our mind that we will end up this epidemic soon. If we want to be safe from coronavirus, then we have to follow some precautions. For example, if we need to go out of our home for buying groceries or else, we have to wear masks and gloves. Always wear mask when you are talking to the people, even they are in your neighborhood. Used masks and gloves should be thrown properly in the dustbin. Always remember that do not throw your mask and gloves into the places which animal can lick or eat them. Or you can also use this hand sanitizer which contains alcohol inside it to clean the hands and kill the germs which are present on your hand. Always clean your hands regularly after an hour. That will kill the germs present on your hands as you mostly touch your hands on your face. And always wash your hands before and after meal too. Meanwhile, in this epidemic, I also wrote a poem which is based on coronavirus and my country. हेलो हाय बंद करो जब चलता है नमस्ते, क्यों महंगे कर रहे हो सैनिटाइजर थे जो सस्ते। उनका क्या होगा जो इटली अमेरिका में बसते, लेकिन इंडिया में इनके लिए खुले हैं सब रास्ते। वापस देश में आ जा बेटा जो यहाँ से भागे, हमारी रीतियों को सारी दुनिया दाद दे। हमारे गुरुओं ने जो सदियों पहले बताया था, उन सब बातों को हमने ना अपनाया था और धीरे धीरे सब हमारे सामने आया था। ऐसी संस्कृति तू कहाँ ढूंढ पाएगा, तेरे देश के बिना ना कोई तुझे अपनाएगा। आखिर वापस तू मुड़ अपने देश में आएगा। जिसे आज नहीं तू अच्छा मानता, लगता है इसके बारे में तू ना अभी जानता। आज सब है अपने आप का, लेकिन मेरा देश है संसार का। मदद करने में सबसे आगे हम हैं भारतीय सारे। This poem is written by me, and now I will talk about something that will occur in our future after coronavirus. First of all, there will be lack of resources. For example, in hospitals we will have lack of medicines as there are no factories working now. So in future we will face some problems for a while, and I guess government have to work in advance for this as we may face the problem regarding the resources. And second point is that I know that we always learn from everything that we suffer in our life, and this epidemic also teaches us a lot of things. For example, first of all, everybody is fighting against corona together, and there is no discrimination regarding religion, caste or gender. And I guess in future there will be less discrimination against every person. And another point is that we also learn from this virus that we can also survive without our addictions. For example, the people who always drink the alcohol regularly are also living without alcohol nowadays. So we have to learn how to live without our addictions also. And the another point is that government should also repeat this lockdown every year at least for 10 days, as it is very helpful for our environment, as ozone layer is also improving and it improves our environment. So this should be repeated every year just at least for 10 days. Thank you.